So this is my old camera, and I found that I had to add some foam to the camera in order to block the wind noise. So I'm going to do it to my new camera, my Canon G7X. And let's take it, move it down. I'm going to take the audio from this so you can probably hear that. Now this is normally what I do. It's actually much easier on the G7X because on the Casio Exlim ZR 1100 or whatever it was, the one that I'm filming with right here, basically on that one there is no arm like this, and so you have to snake the tape underneath the hinge here. But with this, it's super easy. Just take some gaffer's tape, put it over like this. And you want to compress it kind of nice and stiff. And I just put it down like that. Grab another piece. Okay, so there's not much space over here, so I don't want this to be too long. Then I can take this. Let's see if this closes. Yes, it does. Nice. So that closes fine, and now I can just take a knife and cut this part right here. Oh wait, I normally leave my Swiss Army knives very dull, so I'll use this new one I just got from a subscriber. I find keeping my knives pretty dull doesn't really affect the usability for the stuff that I use it for, but it lowers the chance of me stupidly hurting myself, which affects me a lot. And there we go. So now, whenever I blow on it, I should be able to not hear much. Whereas before, even a light breeze would mess things up. Let's take it outside and see how it goes. Oh. What do we have here? Neighbor's cat. So I'm outside right now, and you can probably tell due to my hair that it's actually pretty gusty. Blowing my hair everywhere, like the little fringes of hair that won't be pulled back properly. Trees are moving around and whatnot, but I presume the audio is pretty good with this microphone because I have that piece of foam over it. And so yeah, that should probably soundproof or windproof my audio from now on. Unfortunately, I have noticed that adding the foam to your microphone, it can increase the, actually I guess it doesn't increase, it decreases the lower sound, so it's almost like a low pass filter or a high pass filter. I don't know, whatever, you know. It helps clear away the wind noise, but it also affects like the lower frequencies of audio, I think, so yeah. So that is pretty much it. That's how you add foam for a very low cost onto a camera. I'm having a hard time remembering where I got this foam. I think I got it out of some like pillow or something like that, or a mattress or something a long time ago. And basically it's the kind of foam that it's not bubbles, it's more of just very small structures. So like if you hold your mouth up to it, you can easily breathe through it. You don't want it to be the type of foam that it's like styrofoam, like it's a sealed bubble. You want it to be more of like a sponge almost. I find that doing this works really well. This is kind of a small piece, so it'll probably withstand winds of like, I don't know, 10 or 15 miles an hour. But if I ever need to, I can usually go higher and compress more foam on there and get a bigger piece and compress it more. And that is how I can record audio, clear audio, while riding my bicycle at like 35 miles an hour. So if you ever need to have clear audio for a camera, I recommend doing this if you can, because I find it works pretty well. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you very much for watching. See ya.